Hello, my name is Mark and I focus on technology at Fivetran. Fivetran is a leader in automated data integration. We deliver ready-to-use connectors that automatically adapt as schemas and APIs change, so you can focus on building data-driven solutions. This demonstration showcases real-time data replication from SAP ERP into Google BigQuery. BigQuery is a foundational technology for the Google Cloud Cortex Framework, providing accelerators to help you get set up quickly. SAP is used by many well-known organizations for business-critical processes. Replicating data out using database-level log-based change data capture is widely considered the least intrusive approach to avoid any unnecessary impact. Current SAP deployments are dominantly ECC, running on different types of databases. And as for HANA, only available on SAP HANA. Fivetran's HVR technology supports log-based change data capture on all these database types. The technology decodes data in cluster, pool, and long text tables that are common in long-time ECC installations. Table selection is simplified by SAP module, including custom tables, and connectivity for the initial load can either go directly to the database or through NetWeaver. My demo environment features two ECC environments, one running on Oracle and one on SAP HANA. I use an HVR agent close to the source database for optimum performance. Data flows through the hub into Google BigQuery. In Google BigQuery, I have prepared a data set with about a dozen tables from the sales and distribution module. The tables include extra columns required for the Google Cloud Cortex Framework. On top of these, I have access views and a query that retrieves rejected items out of the SAP dataset. As a job analyst, it is my job to follow up on these rejected items to see if I can mitigate the loss of revenue. And with that, let's move over to SAP. So I have an order for a company called Globex Inc., and they have indicated that this server value is too expensive and they don't want it. So I'm just going to commit this change to SAP, and I expect the change to be replicated. Here is the replication console. So this is HVR, and in HVR, we use the concept of a location as the replication endpoint, for example, a database. So let me go in and let me go to my locations. And you'll see three locations there, one for Google BigQuery, two for my ECC environments. When I add a new location and I narrow down to sources, you see there's a multitude of database technologies here, including SAP HANA, SAP ASE, and then the connectivity through NetWeaver. Once we have a new location created, we can create a channel. The channel is the pipeline that replicates the data. I'm going to add a new channel that consists of 5 easy steps. First step is to choose the topology. Then I choose the source, which is my HANA ECC environment through NetWeaver, target Google BigQuery. We're filling out the topology on the left-hand side. We're going to do a standard replica, HANA to BigQuery. Save this, and then select the tables. Selecting the tables goes through the SAP data modules. You'll notice that for the module, we include the main tables at the top and then reference tables. And if I mouse over one of these links, I can see the reference tables. If I narrow down into one particular table, and then I can easily retrieve the reference tables by using this link and build out the list of tables for my channel. Now, rather than completing this, I'm going to look at my existing channel where we're replicating data out of our SAP ECC system on Oracle into BigQuery. Now, as you can see, just a moment ago, some changes were replicated. I have 14 tables in this channel, and these are the 14 tables we saw in BigQuery. So you see here the SAP data set, and also you notice that as of yesterday, these tables were all identical. Now, I expect nothing less than for these tables to be still identical. So when I rerun my query, I expect the indeed Globex Inc. to be at the top of the list here with server value that is too expensive for them. Now, SAP data is incredibly important. However, rarely is SAP the only data source. Perhaps you must combine marketing data from Google Analytics, or CRM is in Salesforce. Fivetran provides pre-built connectors to these and over 150 other applications and systems through our managed service. Combined with the Google Cloud Cortex Framework, these can accelerate the digital transformation of your organization. Check us out at fivetran.com to learn more. Thank you for watching.